I'm Dr. Rudresh Kultikar, CMO Goa Medical College. Press media briefing is an incident which has happened.
Little loudly.
Where the Honorable Health Minister was humiliated in the community.
Sir, can you please
Loudly.
speak loud and please.
Come little further, sir.
I need a photo, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So our demand is that because of that incident is that we require public apology in the casualty itself. The Honorable Minister should come and apologize on the casualty. That is our demand.
So any deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately.
What if he does not apologize?
So we, because we are supported by the guard, GMC Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty, Doctors Association, as well as the doctors all over the India. So it is not been accepted, and we will continue.
Any discussion with the minister? We had discussion with him.
We have already have a discussion with the team. We have given a memorandum in the morning session.
So can you just tell what exactly happened? What happened?
On that 7th, actually, as per the incident, it was nothing. Someone relative came asking to give an injection. Just to vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injection has shown emergency department. Emergency injection.
Dr. Mashullah or
Vitamin B12 injection is not an emergency injection. So they said we have to go to the or nearby PSC because it is not an emergency injection.
This is the first incident happened in GMC or earlier also something like that.
This was the first incident which I found.
they तो didn't allowed
No, casualty our emergency department is tertiary care hospital. Tertiary care hospital is the highest level of the hospital of Goa. Where only serious critical patient has to be handled. Nowadays, anything means even a minor cases are coming to the GMC emergency department. So this is a protocol that only the serious cases has to be seen. Giving injection is never, that is also vitamin B12 injection is never for emergency.
मिनिस्टरान काल इथून
एका चॅनलाचे
apology मागल्या.
तुम्ही एक्सेप्ट करता
ती तुमचं call आहे.
I have seen the video, but it was studio apology. So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happen. It is in front of the people. People should know this apology.
We form stand out then.
By when Misha should apologize?
No, it is within 24 hours he has to apologize.
Okay. Feeling we will be going to the strike will be continued.
Continue.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Be that only shutdown of the
When?
24 hours.
So videography केला त्याची तुमका आपसी कहा कारण allowed ना.
Videography, I think it's morning. It's Dean has already informed about this thing. They discussed about the videography.
shutdown legally possible असा
जेन्ना तुम्ही शटडाऊन करतले खुबशे पेशंट आसतले तांकां ट्रिटमेंट पूण ट्रिटमेंट जे पेशंट आसता ते खुबशे क्रिटिकल कंडिशनांनी आसता पेशंट
Emergency initially we'll see, but even if emergency may, we have given a letter to the Dean. The emergency may also shut down.
So no doctors will be working.
We are thinking on that.
But
They are here for the patient. They are here for the patient. That day also, when the incident happened, the Honorable HM had told me to go from the casualty at 12 o'clock. But I stayed there till 2:30. Till my next doctor came. We are here for the patients. We are not against the patient. We want the proper treatment is to be given to them.
ते ॲडमिशन करताना पूण आतां तुमी म्हटलें की जर अपोलॉजी गांवांना 24 वरां भितर जाल्यार तुमी सर्विसीस बंद उरतले पूण त्या टायमार तुमकां दिसना खुबशे पेशंट ते खंय तरी सफर जावंक शकता
We'll see that services, we'll discuss about that and we'll see that the services doesn't affect the emergency cases.
You have a support from All India.
Yeah, All India Doctors Association have also supported us.
They spoke to you.
So the IMA informed us.
And I said also human rights that you are going.
We might go to human rights. Whether will be continue protest here now or will be continue protest here?
about stand up for self-respect and dignity. And आमी कितें व्हडलें अशें कांय मागुना. It is very simple. It is a very simple 5-point or a 4-point demand, which is not something that requires a external force to be fulfilled. It is as simple कि एक formal unconditional apology सराक to the whole medical fraternity, and the other points about a zero tolerance to VIP culture. A zero tolerance to VIP culture. परत VIP culture. There is a whole system of triaging. आमी तुमकां मागता सगळे media to really make the public aware of what is a triage. A simple external injury of a abrasion might not be a code red in casualty. Many a times a person who looks fine from outside bleeds, and the best person to take a call on who needs to be treated is a doctor, the casualty medical officer, and the surgeon and the trauma surgeon who is there. It can never be a third person. That is why the whole concept of triage is there. We study it for 5.5 years. We study it for more. आज 10 वर्सां जाली हांव ही गोष्ट शिकता. So it shouldn't be something that is commented upon by a person who is watching it from outside. Right fraternity, and I have stood up for the rest of Goa. आज आमचे कडेन जातले, फाल्यां आनी कोणा कडेन जातले. You have seen already violence happening because of the same demeanor. फाल्यां खंय it might be fatal to one of us. मागीर सर्विसीस बंद पडटलीच न्ही. मागीर कशी ओपन कशी आसतली सर्विसीस. एंड नो वन इज स्टॉपिंग तुमकां खबर आसतलें रायट फ्रॉम लॉंग बॅक GMC डॉक्टर्स हैव नेवर स्टॉप एमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस. I humbly request the media to please block all false narratives. The only reason we are standing behind Dr. Rudresh is to stop and to block a false narrative of political divisiveness, of other things, of people from outside supporting. All of you have seen since morning that all the people who were standing here were Goans. The people of Goa were standing here. It was not a doctor. When I wear this apron, yes, I am a doctor. But underneath who is standing is still a citizen of Goa who has the right to fight for his respect. ताणी जितलें आमकां शिकयलां, it would be a shame on me. It would be a shame on all of us if we let this go. It is very simple. The demands are not something that require any external interference. It is just a 3-point thing which is the basic need of every citizen in Goa. Please block false narratives, stand for Goan identity, and that is all I need to say. Thank you so much. The services have been going on since morning.